Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Road Warriors Official 1. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting upcoming releases from Ferrari, the all-new Ferrari 812 replacement, set to hit the streets in 2025. If you thought the 812 Superfast was already one of the greatest Grand Tourers to ever grace the road, buckle up, because Ferrari is raising the bar with its successor. First off, let's talk about what makes the 812 Superfast so incredible. The V12 engine. The 812 delivers spine-tingling performance, thanks to its naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 that cranks out a monstrous 789 horsepower. But with the 2025 replacement, Ferrari is going to bring us something even more mind-blowing. Sources suggest the 812's successor will carry over that iconic V12 engine but with some serious upgrades. Ferrari is likely to introduce hybrid technology to the mix, keeping that unmistakable power and sound of the V12 while adding an electric motor to enhance performance and efficiency. Expect an even higher horsepower figure, potentially exceeding 800, and of course, blistering acceleration times. A 0 to 60 time under 3 seconds could easily be on the cards. Now, the styling. Ferrari's design team always knows how to make a car that turns heads, and this 812 replacement will be no exception. The 812 Superfast's aggressive lines and aerodynamic shape are already iconic, so the new model will likely push this even further, with more sculpted bodywork and sharper details that improve both aesthetics and performance. Expect a more streamlined and aggressive look, reflecting Ferrari's commitment to constant innovation while staying true to their heritage. Inside, Ferrari's always known for mixing luxury with high-tech features. The 812 successor will likely include advanced driver assist systems, a futuristic digital display, and top-tier materials throughout the cabin. It will be the perfect balance of comfort for long drives and precision for those spirited, track-ready moments. One of the standout features of the new 812 might be the handling. Ferrari's always at the cutting edge of chassis development, and with the new model, expect an even more refined experience on both road and track. Advanced suspension technology, an updated rear-wheel drive system, and possibly even active aerodynamics will make sure this car remains just as sharp and agile as its predecessor. And let's not forget, this is Ferrari we're talking about, so expect the driving experience to be unmatched. The V12 engine will likely keep that thrilling, high-revving character we love, while hybrid power will bring an element of electric to work that's smooth but incredibly potent. That combination will make the 812 replacement a true masterpiece of performance engineering. While it's still a little early for full specifications, one thing's for sure, Ferrari is set to redefine what we think is possible in a Grand Tour. The 812's successor is shaping up to be an absolute beast, a faster, more advanced, and even more luxurious. As we get closer to 2025, we'll be keeping a close eye on updates from Ferrari, and you can bet we'll bring you the latest details as soon as they drop. So, are you excited for the new Ferrari 812 replacement? What do you think the future holds for Ferrari's iconic V12 engine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.